Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Kendall seeking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a focus on energy-efficient windows Kendall and impact doors Kendall, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Our team of Kendall window installation experts is dedicated to providing top-notch window maintenance and installation services, ensuring your windows remain in optimal condition. Impact door services in Kendall are essential for protecting homes from severe weather conditions. Our Kendall Hurricane Windows and Impact Doors Kendall services offer unparalleled storm protection, keeping your home safe during hurricane season. With custom window solutions and impact door installation Kendall, you can tailor your home's defenses to meet your specific needs. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy costs. Our energy-efficient windows Kendall options, paired with impact doors Kendall, include double-pane windows Kendall and vinyl window replacement Kendall, providing superior insulation and noise reduction. Trust our Kendall window sealing services to ensure your windows and doors are properly insulated and sealed. Window installation is a vital service for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Our Kendall window installation experts specialize in window frame installation, window glass replacement, and window caulking, while also providing impact doors Kendall for added protection. With Kendall window maintenance services, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and avoid costly replacements. Hurricane impact windows are a must-have for residents in storm-prone areas like Kendall. Our Kendall Hurricane Windows and Impact Doors Kendall offer robust protection against high winds and flying debris, keeping your home and family safe. With Kendall Storm Protection Doors and Security Doors Kendall, you can enhance your home's security and peace of mind. Custom window solutions are available for homeowners seeking unique designs and features. Our custom windows Kendall services include sliding glass doors, French doors Kendall, patio doors Kendall, and impact doors Kendall for superior safety. With Kendall window upgrades, you can enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Window glass replacement is a common service for addressing broken or damaged windows. Our Kendall window glass services provide quick and efficient replacements, along with impact doors Kendall, ensuring your home remains secure and energy efficient. With Kendall window insulation and window tinting, you can improve your home's comfort and privacy. Door replacement is an important aspect of home improvement, offering enhanced security and curb appeal. Our Kendall residential door services include entry door installation, door hardware Kendall, door weatherproofing Kendall, and impact doors Kendall for maximum protection. With our expert team, you can ensure your doors are both functional and stylish. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our vinyl window replacement Kendall services, paired with impact doors Kendall, offer a wide range of styles and colors to suit any home. With Kendall window caulking and window sealing services, you can ensure your vinyl windows and doors provide optimal performance. Sliding glass doors are a stylish and functional addition to any home. Our sliding doors Kendall services include energy-efficient and impact doors Kendall models for enhanced protection. With Kendall window upgrades and patio doors Kendall, you can elevate your home's indoor-outdoor living experience. For top-notch window installation and impact door services in Kendall, look no further. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows, custom window solutions, and impact doors Kendall tailored to your needs. Whether you need hurricane impact windows or durable door replacements, we ensure your home is protected and stylish. Our window glass replacement and door replacement services provide the best in vinyl windows and storm protection doors. Kendall residents trust us for all their window frame installation, sliding glass doors, and impact doors Kendall needs. Our double-pane windows and window sealing services enhance your home's energy efficiency, while entry door installation and window maintenance maintain long-term durability. From French doors to patio doors, we offer options to suit every style and budget. Our window upgrades and window insulation services in Kendall are ideal for improving comfort and efficiency. We also provide door hardware, window tinting, and impact doors Kendall for added security and aesthetic appeal. Security doors and window caulking are essential for protecting your home, and our team expertly handles all your door weatherproofing needs. For residential window replacement in Kendall, our impact doors Kendall services are unmatched. We offer Kendall Hurricane windows and energy-efficient windows Kendall to keep your home safe and comfortable. Our Kendall window installation experts specialize in custom windows Kendall and impact door installation Kendall, ensuring your home remains beautiful and secure. Trust our Kendall window glass services for all your vinyl window replacement Kendall needs. Kendall storm protection doors and sliding doors Kendall are essential for safeguarding your home against severe weather. Our double-pane windows Kendall and impact doors Kendall provide superior insulation and resilience. Entry doors Kendall and Kendall window maintenance are vital for preserving your home's quality. From French doors Kendall to Kendall window upgrades, we deliver comprehensive window and door solutions. Patio doors Kendall and Kendall window insulation are perfect for enhancing your home's efficiency and comfort. Our door hardware Kendall window tinting, and impact doors Kendall services add an extra layer of safety and elegance to your property. Security doors Kendall and Kendall window caulking are crucial for maintaining your home's durability and weather resistance. For door weatherproofing Kendall and Kendall residential door services, our team is always ready to assist.